Stairway to Heaven.
Yeah.
That's Hatton Locks.
Yeah.
21 locks, wow.
You can walk all the way to Warwick.
Yeah.
Got me on one way, Warwick.
Macy's quite excited about it. Some boat, I mean, if the boats coming up or coming down there, but there are some boats over there. Very sunny today.
Come on.
Oh, that's very good, isn't it? That's silver dragonfly.
Oh, yeah. I'm looking for a real one.
Yeah. That's real, Bob.
I was looking for a real one.
Trying to get away from the sun, but... Wait. Sick. Nicky.
Things you have to do for a photo.
Stay.
Hatton Locks Cafe, one of Debbie's famous scones.
You want to try one of Debbie's favourites?
Oh, yes, please.
Good girl, matey.
Quite some set of locks here. Come on, Connie. Come on. It's very nice here. Lovely autumn colours. Oh, that's alright, isn't it?
Yep.
Nice little cafe. Bit of autumn sunshine.
Supposed to be open. Very nice. Very nice.
Yeah, we're down by Hatton Locks Cafe.
Can't get an afternoon tea unless we give 24 hours notice, but you can get a toast.
Work that one out, people.
Can't do sandwiches for afternoon
Have a
tea.
veggie breakfast.
I'm having a go at Bob's camera here, so in case you... It's me, I'm having a go at Bob's camera.
So we're having green cranberry toasty
Yeah.
and cream tea.
Yeah, there's 20, many locks in this? I don't know, Bob's probably told you already.
21.
21 locks. Devil's, one of the ones in Britain is called the Devil's Staircase. I don't know how many places and canals are called the Devil's Staircase in Britain, but there seems to be a lot.
Right, so there's 21 locks here. They were built and widened in the 1930s, it said, to fight off stiff competition from the roads and railways.
Right, enough. Whoever it was.
And I've got a vegetarian breakfast. And you've got vegetarian breakfast. And you've got toasties over
We've
there.
got a toasty and cream scone.
Green cranberry.
Toasty is cream scone.
Come on, go on. Come on. Very nice little cafe here. Go on. So this is Hatton Lock Flight, 21 board concrete locks, striking example of the 1930s modernisation of the London to Birmingham Grand Union. A lot of leaves in there, perhaps. You be careful there. Oh, there's a big rock, isn't it? Well done. Yeah. Okay. The old bikes here, and wheelbarrows, tricycle here. Like the lawn roller. A little truck there.
Seen Rupert in the back.
Oh, Rupert the bear.
Yeah, that's what it is. Yeah,
Oh, yeah,
it's
so-
my favourite, I think.
Yeah. Looking after the air conditioning unit.
Yeah.
Very
Wood,
nice.
wood wall.
Yeah. I'm looking at the little
Cheyenne.
triangle, isn't it? Yeah. They'd probably be worth something if they were in good condition, but they've probably been sitting outside for years, haven't they?
Take them to the repair shop.
Yeah.
Like the little train as well.
Where?
Little red train next to it.
Oh yeah, yeah. Sorry, engine.
Engine.
You could take them to the repair shop and get them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There's a unicycle there. I've just spotted. I'll go on that later.
That's like a cab jack, is it not?
I don't know what that is it? It's a crane. It's a little crane, yeah. Yeah, hidden in the bushes. Very nice. Well, thanks for bringing us here. It's nice.
It's lovely, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's just, it's,
Well, it says the original locks were built in the 1790s when the Grand Union was still the Warwick and Birmingham. Some of the old locks remain next to the newer ones, which were built in 1932 at twice the width. Widened locks can accommodate 2 narrowboats at a time, facilitating twice as much cargo. Became part of the Grand Union. And huge crowds gathered here to witness the Duke of Kent cutting the tape at the opening ceremony in October 1934. A bit about how locks work. The cafe was the stable where canal horses rested after a long day towing boats laden with
Oh, was it?
cargoes of, of coal, sugar, tea and spices. Became a place of nature and leisure. 21 locks. So we're there and go all the way down past Ugly Bridge to Warwick Parkway.
Down to Warwick.
Down to Warwick, yeah. Well,
So I wonder if you, obviously when you start Warwick Racecourse, you probably
oh, you
pick it
could
up
do.
down there,
Yeah.
couldn't you?
It looks like a nice walk, doesn't it?
Yeah. I have a feeling somebody made a video about that.
Yeah.
Okay.
Just gonna walk-
Staying at the racecourse and then walk from there.
Yeah. So the old locks must be over there then. Right. Yeah. I'll go alongside the piling boat here. So wooden piles were laid out between blocks which kept them in position, and a buffer was placed above to reduce the risk of damage as piles were driven in by the tub hammer. Oh, tub hammer! Canal is not a natural phenomenon, and erosion is part of life. You've obviously got to carry on maintaining it. Look at that picture there though. Wow. I'm just letting the water in to open the gates now. Yep, in the lock. The gates are closed. And we're going to open the sluice gates at the other end to let the water out. And off you go. So, Pop, do you want to have a look at this? Look at the water. There's one down there, Pop. Yeah, so they must have had that there
Yeah.
a long time ago, 18th century freehouse, so probably built around the same time as the canal was originally built.
Yeah.
Go on, Pop, off you go. So the water's going over the top of the lock gate there. Filling up before they get there, that is.